There's some. I was wondering if it's ever been possible. Is a These are like your sockets, and then what you have is a rotisserie of sockets. So you got metric and short, 3/8, ½ inch, 1/4 inch, and you got this rotisserie that has all your sockets on it instead of flat and on top of each other, filling up 100 drawers. You have a rotisserie. That way, if you top your cabinet, instead of being a short lid, you have in all your drawers, you have a tall lid to hold the rotisserie, or two, or however many.